Somebody remind me, what are our 3 tools that we're choosing from?
The project that we worked on this year, it involved our kindergarten through 3rd graders, and what we wanted to do was look at our traditional gardens and our aeroponic towers and integrate mathematics into the students' activities related to those gardens and really connect it to how they could use their math skills, use their science skills to really serve our community by solving the problem of food scarcity. I meet with our garden committee that's been leading the charge in this area, and we talk about the progress of the project and new needs that they have. And they're at the phase now where they've started implementing the math part of the lessons into the classroom. And at no point in the lesson was there a kid that wasn't engaged. And what that led her to was, oh my gosh, how can I teach this way all the time? I think one of the joys about education is that no day is ever what you expect. We believe that, this work should be in service of people and the environment, and I know that's meaningful to kids, and I know that it creates meaningful outcomes. The unexpected part of that are just those daily interactions. Like, you can't anticipate what energy a smile is going to produce for you. You can't anticipate what energy a aha moment for a kid at a particular moment will produce. This can be a short-term project that just talks about integration of garden lessons into mathematics, but really the big win is how we make school every minute, every hour for every kid the most amazing place to be.